Bring it in. You guys want something to drink?
Vodka, Tommy.
7-7-4.
Nice finish. Great job.
Good job.
Nice job, Patsy.
Pull your tag. Good job.
7-9-4.
All right, Mark. Awesome. Good job. Pull your tag.
What's that?
Good job.
What?
Nice job.
7-7-1 with a little trip at the end.
Good job.
Great job. Strong run, Liz. Don't worry, we didn't see that. Nobody saw you trip right at the very end.
Good job.
Better a trip than a fall. Yeah, that's right.
All right.
Good job. Great finish.
7-4-1.
Glenn.
Nice job, Glenn.
Good job. Can you pull your tag for me? Thank you, sir. Good job. There's water up there and there's food under the shelter. Is that your ringtone?
That's what she said.
Let's see Carell's like.
There's an app for that. Yes, indeed. There's an app for that.
Nice. Good job. Good job. Let it have to go. What do I do? Well done. Well done.
Number 7-6-3. That was awesome.
Good job. Pull your tag for me. Good job.
7-6-0.
Good job. Thank you.
Strong
Good job.
finish.
Mark.
7-34.
Good job. Pull your tag for me. Good job. Hey, how was that? Hey, that was you?
You know what you're taking your
Falling over the lap. 7-7-3.
Drop finish.
Nice job there, Jimbo.
Pull your tag.
Crossing the finish line with a smile.
There's food under the shelter, too. Good job. Thanks.
What I totally forgot to announce, College of Podiatry. What college? I don't know. Ohio College.
The Ohio College of Podiatry is waiting to work on them nasty feet.
Good job. Mark.
7-7-7. Nice job, Mark.
Good job. Pull your
Good
tag.
job.
Good job. There's water and food under the shelter.
Get on over there and get those feet worked on. 7:55.
Nice.
Strong finish, Neil. Dale, Neil, whatever.
Good job. There's water right up there, heat, and there's some food under the shelter for you.
7-2-6.
Good job. Pull your tag for me.
Jonathan.
Awesome job. There's water right up there, and then there's food under the shelter. And that's no problem. So work
Everybody knows this track. It's a sweet track.
All right, we got karaoke going on. Come on up and grab the microphone. Who can sing this for me? Kelly up on the mic.
Make it happen. Just let it
Maybe
happen.
not.
Let it happen.
Suck some pencil.
I was just thinking that thing in my face, and I knew you were going to say that's what she said.
You can't just softball it in. That's too easy. You got to take it out.